Driving addressable LEDs directly with AVR Assembly. For most makers, turning on the first LED of a WS281 or WS28116 strip isn't a big deal. Libraries like FastLED or Adafruit NeoPixel make it as easy as a single function call. But for engineers, it can be fascinating to dive into the protocol details and see how precise timing at the nanosecond level is handled directly in AVR Assembly. At 16 MHz, carefully counted instruction cycles generate the strict timing required. T0 high, about 200 to 320 nanoseconds. T1 high, about 520 to 800 nanoseconds. Bit cycle, about 1.25 microseconds. Reset greater than 50 microseconds. This exercise shows how bit banging at nanosecond accuracy is still possible with an 8MEGA328, even without dedicated peripherals. It's a great reminder of how much control you get when you understand the hardware at the instruction cycle level. Even better, this exact code is already included in the online compiler and uploader at caustic.github.io/avrcompiler.js, web USB based. That means if you have an Arduino Nano and an addressable WS281 LED, you can try it right away. No need to install any IDE. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you won't miss the next one.